This is one of the artists that went viral before we even knew there was the word viral, especially in Africa. Most of the songs were so meaningful, loaded with messages, and I really think that a lot of people relied on this guy to bring the message of the day. So, Oliver Mtekuzi, Todi is the name of the song. Todi, did I say it right? It's in Shona, but let's get to it. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. For you to see the full video, go to my YouTube. And this is for TikTok people. This is for people who are watching on TikTok. Anyway, let's get to it.
Oh, Toddy, what shall we do? Sinzinjan,
What shall we do?
And remember what I said at the beginning of this video that, the people relied on his music. This was at the peak of HIV and AIDS, and I think it was rampant in Southern Africa. It was rampant in Africa. It was rampant in the world, but it was worse in countries that didn't have like researchers who are consistently trying to find medication and stuff like that. And a lot of people were losing their lives at a really, really fast pace. You think COVID was worse? Think of HIV, because anyway. So when the song came out, it resonated with a lot of people because it was the reality of that time, and yeah.
oh, Toddy, what shall we do? Sinzinjan,
What shall we do?
oh, Toddy, what shall we do? Sinzinjan,
What shall we do?
zvinorwadza sei kurera rufu mumaoko, zvinorwadza sei kuchengeta rufu mumaoko, vazvababata pambo riri pasina raramo, vazvapatumbuka pambo riri pasina raramo. Yeah, Toddy, what shall we do? Sinzinjan, oh, Toddy, what shall we do?
So there's a lot that I can translate on this song, but also there's a lot that I cannot either understand because, do not gonna go to Rashona, but, Kadik, yeah. Kadoku. So he's basically Zino Gwaza Sekur. Like obviously back then when people were have contacted HIV and AIDS, there was only one where they were going. There was no antiretroviral ARVs. There were no ARVs. There was no medication that was used. There was no medication that you could use to, I don't know, reduce the symptoms and stuff like that, like how we do now, where we are almost at the cure of HIV. We don't have it yet, I think, and we are almost there. And I think scientists are still fighting to get there. Anyway, so he's basically saying, it's really, really painful to take care of death with your own hands. This is a direct translation, but for you Shona speakers, help me in the comment section. Those are good old days.
Yeah, Toddy, shall we do?
Dingadee,
Sinzija.
what shall we do?
Yeah, Tony.
Senzeni,
What shall we do?
dingadee,
Sinzija.
what shall we do?
Zvinorwadza sei kubhinywa newaugere naye.
Dingadee, winawo, utachiwana.
Zvinorwadza sei kubhinywa neakabvisa pfuma.
Dingadee, winawo, utachiwana.
Achiziva unawo utachiwana.
Dingadee, winawo, utachiwana.
Ende uchiziva unawo utachiwana.
Dingadee, winawo, utachiwana.
Oh, Tony,
Senzeni,
what shall we do?
dingadee,
Sinzija.
what shall we do?
Oh, Tony,
Senzeni,
what shall we do?
dingadee,
Sinzija.
what shall we do?
Yeah, Tony,
Senzeni,
what shall we do?
dingadee,
Sinzija.
what shall we do?
Seri kwekuva hakuna muna matova rumeta.
The people who were acting on this, man, this was incredible. I mean, obviously, when the inspiration is there, there is, you know, you don't pull all these things from like ideas. They probably have seen people going through a similar situation. They probably have relatives that went through similar. They probably have went through this experience that they are now acting out. It's crazy how times quickly change. Because I remember in the village that I was in with less people, but there were more funerals. Almost every weekend, somebody was getting buried. And kids, man. Oh, little babies died. So, this is.
Utachiwana,
Tony by mazan.
dingadee, winawo, utachiwana.
Seri kwekuva hakuna muteuro mambo tapererwa.
Utachiwana,
Tony by mazan.
dingadee, winawo, utachiwana.
Seri kwekuva hakuna muteuro mambo tapererwa.
Utachiwana,
Tony by mazan.
dingadee, winawo, utachiwana.
Seri kwekuva hakuna muna matova rume tapererwa.
Utachiwana.
So he's basically saying, pray now, because on the other side of the grave there is no praying, there is no repenting. Hopefully I'm not distorting Oliver Mtuku's message here, but from what I can understand, because I said Gadik, yeah, that's how you say it, a little bit, right? So, oh my goodness, this was.
Dingadee, winawo, utachiwana.
Seri kwekuva hakuna muteuro mambo tapererwa.
Utachiwana,
Tony by mazan.
dingadee, winawo, utachiwana.
Ah, Tony,
Senzeni,
what shall we do?
dingadee,
Sinzija.
what shall we do?
Yeah, that's Oliver Mtukudzi, and I think I remember when that song came out. Do I? What? Yeah, I was still alive because I'm old, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I am actually older than I maybe not. Anyway, but those days it was bad, and a lot of people understood the song. Obviously, the organic instrumentals on this as well, the organic guitar that Oliver Mtukudzi played, even though you didn't understand the language, you understood the music. You know what I mean? Like the music was so good, jazzy, you're chilling, and it's making you thinking. And once you hear that one word in the song means this, then it changes the whole atmosphere. So, yeah, this is the music I grew up in, and this was one of the songs that went viral in all of Africa. And I think I have seen also even like white people singing the song in auditions or in one of those Got Talent stuff. It means it transcended even beyond race and beyond culture, beyond language. It got into the music level language where everybody understood. Anyway, if you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side. Bye.